Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know students, nowadays we are doing chapter number 4 and in last lecture we did some questions of exercise 4.4, but some of students continuously requesting me to do exercise 6.8. The chapter number 6 is logarithm and exponential function, and student asked me to do exercise 6.8. I have already done many exercises from this chapter, so due to their request, and I respect all of students, therefore I am going to start exercise 6.8. The topic of exercise 6.8, you can see on the screen: practical applications of exponential equations. Practical applications means uses of logarithm and exponential functions in different subjects like physics, chemistry, biology and others. So math helps each and every subject. So I am starting exercise 6.8. Let's start question number 1. You can see on the screen, but before I start this question, please first you have to strong your concepts of logarithm. In order to strong your concept, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is ADMAS, where you can watch previous videos of logarithm in order to get good command on this topic. Let's start question number 1. And please, I request you all, wherever you start exercise 6.8, you should have scientific calculator, because without calculator we are unable to do these questions where we need scientific calculator. Question number 1 is: at the start of an experiment, the number of bacteria was 100. This number increases so that after t minutes the number of bacteria n is given by the formula. So at the start of the experiment, total number of bacteria was 100, but after some time t minutes, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes and so on. So after some time t minutes, the number of bacteria increases to 100 multiplied by 2 power t. Part A is estimate the number of bacteria after 12 minutes. So what is our equation? N is equals to 100 multiplied by 2 power t. So 100 multiplied by 2 power t. Here t is 12 minutes, so we have to put 12 over here. Now by using scientific calculator, we can easily find the answer of the value of n. Here I have find the answer by using scientific calculator: 409,600. Answer of part A. So this is the answer of part A. The number of bacteria after 12 minutes are 409,600. Hope you understand this question, part A. Come to part B. Estimate the time in minutes it takes for the number of bacteria to exceed 10,000. So just replace this n by the value of n, which is given 10,000 is equals to 100 into 2 power t. These two zeros cancel by these two zero. The remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 2 is equals to 2 power t. Now because we need to find the value of t, so we use logarithm, taking lg on both sides. Lg, whenever you write lg, it is automatically understood that the base of lg is 10. So lg 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to lg 2 power t. So lg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equals to, the rule of logarithm is power is always before the log. So t lg2. Now lg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upon lg2 gives you the value of t. Now it's a time to use the calculator, because in your calculator, in scientific calculator, lg or log is always means base 10. So just write lg, push the button of lg. So after this, calculator gives me the answer is 16.61 minutes, because t is in minutes. This is given in the question. So what was the part B? Estimate the time in minutes it takes for the number of bacteria to exceed 10,000. So after 16.61 minutes, the number of bacteria exceed to 10,000 and 1,000. So this is the answer of part B. Question 1 has finished. Come to question number 2. Here we go. This is question number 2. Another applications of exponential function and logarithm. At the beginning of 2015, the population of a species of animals was estimated at 50,000. So some kind of animals at the start of 2015 year, the number of animals was 50,000. This number decreased so that after a period of n years, the population was 50,000 e power minus 0.03 n. So first we have to let the population say p, 50,000 given e power minus 0.03 n. Part A. Part A is estimate the population at the beginning of 2020. 2020 means 2020. So this value 50,000 is at 2015, and now they are talking about 2020. So 2015 to 2020, it means the value of n is 5 years, should be 5 years. So our population in 2020 minus 0.03 n is 5, because n is the number of years. You can see this number decrease, so that after a periods of n years, so we have to put 5. Why 5? Because we are talking about 2020. Now with the help of calculator, find the whole answer. E, you can find E by pressing shift button and then press ln, you will see E. Now I am doing calculation. So our answer is 43035. You can round off this correct to two significant figures. 43000, 43,000. So this is the answer of part A. Come to part B. Part B is more interesting than part A. Estimate the year in which the population would be expected to have first decreased to 5,000. Now our population P is given 5,000 is equals to 50,000 into e power minus 0.03 n. And you know we need what? We need the value of n. So first we divide this 50,000 by 5,000 is equals to e power minus 0.03 n. 30 this is 50,000, I am sorry. So these 30 cancel by these 30. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. 1 upon 10 can be write 0.1 is equals to minus 0.03 n. Because we need to find the value of n, so we have to take ln on both sides in order to cancel e. So after taking ln both sides, ln 0.1 is equals to ln e power minus 0.03 n. So ln 0.1 is equals to ln and e cancel minus 0.03 n, and ln 0.1 divided by minus 0.03 is equals to n. Now with the help of calculator, find the value. Our answer is 76.75 something. So I am rounding off to 76. But according to question, we need to find the year. The starting year was 2015. And after, when the population decreased to 5,000, is equals to, we need to add how many number of years we find? 76. So we have to add 76 in 2015. The answer was 2091. So in 2091, the population was decreased to 5,000. So this is the power of natural logarithm ln. This is the power of exponential function. So hope you completely understand question number 2. Come to question number 3. So this is the question number 3. The volume of water in a container V centimeter cube at time t minutes is given by the formula V is equals to 2000 e power minus kt. When V is 1000, t is 15. Part A, find the value of k. Very easy. Just replace V by 1000 is equals to 2000 e power minus k multiplied by t. T is 15. 1000 and this 2000 is divide is equals to e power minus k into 15 is minus 15k. 1000 by 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 is 0.5 is equals to e power minus 15k. Again, because we need the value of k, so we have to take ln on both sides. So ln 0.5 is equals to ln e power minus 15k. Ln and e cancel, so ln 0.5 and this minus 15 is divide over here. This should gives us the value of k. Again use the calculator. Ln 0.5 divided by minus 15. So the answer is 0.0462. 0.0462 is our answer. Come to part B. Find the value of V when t is equals to 22. It's very easy. Put V is equals to 2000 e power minus k. K we have already find 0.0462 multiply by t is given in part B 22. Again use the calculator to find the whole answer in single step. 2000 multiply by, press shift, then ln e, then minus 0.0462 multiply by 22. The answer is 723.79, and if you round off this you will get 724 centimeter cube. This is the answer of part B. So as compared to question number 1 and 2, question number 3 is so easy. Come to next question. So question number 1 was related to biology. Question number 2 is related to the population of animals, just like you can say uses in zoology. Question number 3 is related to menstruation, and question number 4, which we are doing, is related to biology or zoology. A species of fish is introduced to a lake. The population N of this species of fish after T weeks is given by the formula N is equals to 500 e power minus 0.3 t. Part A. Find the initial population of these fish. Student, whenever you find the value of something at initial stage, so it means time must be 0. Okay, so just put n is equals to 500 e power minus 0.3 should be multiplied by t should be 0, because at initial position the time is always 0. Time or anything is always 0. So n is equals to 500 e power minus 0.3 into 0. Something multiplied by 0 is always 0. N is equals to 500, and something to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1. Therefore n is equals to 500 ones are 500. Actually there is no need to show all steps, but in order to understand I showed all steps. Otherwise you just put t is equals to 0 mentally and you will get 500 and you will get full marks. Part B. Estimate the number of these fish. Estimate the number of these fish after 6 weeks. So just write the question again. N is equals to 500 e power minus 0.3 into t. What is t? 6. Use the scientific calculator. 500 multiply by, press shift, then ln e power minus 0.3 multiply by 6. The answer is 82.6. That's it. 82.6. This is the answer. So this is the population of fish, 82.6. Come to part C. Estimate the number of weeks it takes for the number of these fish to have fallen to half of the number introduced. Half of the number. Kindly wait. Okay, done. I am reading part C again. Estimate the number of weeks it takes for the number of these fish to have fallen to half of the number introduced. So initial number of fishes was n is equals to 500, as we did in part A. So according to question, if we 1 half to 500, we will get 250. So fallen to half means 250. So replace this in this formula. Replace n by 250 is equals to 500 into e power minus 0.3 t. So 250 divided by 500 is equals to e power minus 0.3t. 250 by 50 is 1 upon 2, that is 0.5 is equals to e power minus 0.3t. Again, because we need the value of t, so we should take ln on both sides. ln 0.5 is equals to ln e power minus 0.3t. ln and e cancel. ln 0.5 and minus 0.3 is divide over here is equals to t. By using scientific calculator, find the value of t. Now answer is 2.31, because t is number of weeks, so it should be positive, and after calculation you will see the positive answer. So this is question number 4. Hope you completely understand this question, all parts. Now come to question number 5. This is question number 5. The value $V of a house n years after it was built is given by the formula. Now you are seeing the uses of logarithm in economics. So V is equals to 250,000 e power an, e power an. When n is 3, V is 350,000. Part A. Find the initial value of this house. Again, initial value means the number of years should be 0. So if we put if we replace n by 0, a multiplied by 0, you will get 0, and e power 0 is 1. Therefore the initial value should be 250,000. This is the answer of part A. Part B. Find the value of A. Very easy. V is given in this, for this part, V, the value of V is given 350,000 is equals to 250,000 into e power a, and n is given 3. So 350,000, 0 divided by 250,000 is equals to e power 3 into a is 3a. So 40 cancel by 40, 35 upon 25 is 1.4. 1.4 is equals to e power 3a. Now taking ln on both sides, ln 1.4 is equals to ln e power 3a. So ln 1.4, ln and e cancel, and 3 divided by over here, then a is, so ln divided by 3, the answer is 0.112. You can check from the calculator. So this is part B of question number 5. Come to part C. Estimate the number of years for this house to double in value. What does it mean? Double. Wait, first I have to solve myself. Kindly wait, I am doing this question. Okay, done the question. Now I am repeating part C. Estimate the number of years for this house to double the value. What was the initial value in part A? Initial value you can see 250,000. So double means 250,000 multiplied by 2, it means 500,000. Okay, this is the value of V. Now our equation is V, here V is 500,000 is equals to 250,000 e power an. We have already find the value of constant a, 0.112 n. So 250,000 multiplied by 2 you will get 500,000. So answer is 2 e power 0.112 n. Again taking ln on both sides, ln2 is equals to ln e power 0.112 n. So ln 2, ln and e cancel, 0.112 is equals to n, and the answer is 6.18. n is equals to 6.18. This is final answer of part C of question number 5. So hope you completely understand question number 5. Come to question number 6. So question number 5 was the application of exponential functions in economics. Let's see question number 6. The area a centimeter square of a patch of mold is measured daily. The area n days after the measurements started is given by the formula a is equals to a naught b power n. So this is the area centimeter square and of a page of mold is measured daily. So they are seeing the changing in area daily. When n is equals to 2, a is equals to 1.8, n is equals to 3, and a is equals to 2.4. So there are two values of n and two values of a. What is the question in part A? Find the value of b. Find the value of b. Very easy. First, take the value of a is 1.8 is equals to a naught b power n. For 1.8, n is 2, so b square. Now the second one is a is 2.4 is equals to a naught b power n. B power n, here n is 3. So there are two equations. First, make the subject a naught. So a naught is equals to 1.8 upon b square, and similarly over here a naught is equals to 2.4 upon b cube. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Comparing equation number 1 and 2, then you will get 1.8 upon b square is equals to 2.4 upon b cube. Now this b square can cancel by 3 and you will get cross multiply. B is equals to 2.4 upon 1.8. Find with the help of calculator. Answer is 4 upon 3. And this is the answer of part A, the value of B. Come to part B. Find the value of A naught. Very easy. A is equals to A naught. This is our equation. A naught B power n. Okay. So first we have to take the value of A. Kindly wait for this part. Done this part. Just take any value of A. You can take A is equals to 1.8 or A is equals to 2.4. So I am taking A is 1.8 is equals to A naught. B is, you have already find, 4 upon 3. And for this value of A 1.8, you can see the value of n is 2. So 1.8 is equals to A naught. 4 upon 3 square is 16 upon 9. Multiply 1.8 multiply by 9, and this 16 should be divided. A naught, and the answer is, after simplifying with the help of calculator, The answer is 81 upon 80 answer, but not complete answer, because there is another requirement. You can see part B again. Find the value of a naught. Find the value of a naught. We have find 81 upon 80 and explain and what a naught represents. So as you can see in this formula, a is equals to a naught b power n. So a naught means the initial stage. You can write the complete answer. A naught represents the area, the initial area, the area of the page, at the initial or start of the measurement. So this is the complete answer of part B. Come to part C. Part C is estimate the number of days for the area of this page of mold to exceed 7 centimeter square. So what is our equation? This is part C. Our equation is A is equals to A naught b power n. And in this question, the value of A is given, which is 7. The value of A naught we have already find, which is 81 upon 80. See the question again. Estimate the number of days for the area of this page of mold to exceed 7 centimeter square. Kindly wait, first I will solve myself. Done the question. B is we have already find in part B, in part A, which is 4 upon 3 to the power n. Now 7 multiplied by 80 upon 81 is equals to 4 upon 3 to the power n. Simplify it. The answer is 6.91. 6.91 is equals to 4 upon 3 to the power n. Taking log with base 10 on both sides, log 4 upon 3 to the power n, log 6.91 is equals to power before the log n, log 4 upon 3, and now log 6.91 upon log 4 upon 3 is equals to n. So n is equals to, it's a time to use calculator. .72. This is the final answer. 6.72. Answer part C. So hope you completely understand this question. Here is the summary. This is the summary of question number 6. And now exercise has finished. So this is your request. I always respect students' request. That's why I did complete exercise 6.8 for them. Now I request you, if you are watching my videos and if you like my videos, kindly please do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly don't restrict my videos to yourself. Share as many as you can. But keep in mind, next lecture will be on exercise 4.4 remaining questions. We will continue our work. Okay students, good luck for your test and good luck for your assignment.